Look at the car, Maddox. Hey. Pretty good reflection there.
Mommy, let me go.
Guys, so today the boss has been going through a bunch of bugs. We're in the southeast, so I'm going to rinse a bunch of them off with a hose. But the car's been ceramic coated, so I just want to show you how the water just beads off this thing. It's ridiculous. The car's been, it was coated 3.5 years ago. So the fact that it still kind of does what it does. I mean, watch that, it just falls off. It's ridiculous. 3.5 years. Just runs off the side. Right now I'm just rinsing off the loose dirt, honestly. Get all the dust off. Yeah, you guys see this coat's 3.5 years old. I use the product, the company I use was Color and Drive, and I mean it's remarkable. Just a little bit of a rinsing and the dust comes off and it looks like it's been clean already. It definitely makes like getting the dirt off just that much easier. Huge beads just falling off the car. The wind's just drying my car for me. But I'm gonna get a big towel. I think I have one of the car guys' towels. We're gonna dry it off. All right, just wanted to show you guys my ceramic coating. And, yep, she's still pretty shiny. Very happy with it. I do have some swirl marks on here because it's 3.5 years old and it just ages. And I think it was I don't know I have to look up the exact age of this kit, but I'm gonna get some of the Car Pro Essence, and I've seen some good reviews where it's done magical things to get rid of swirl marks. So that's probably an upcoming video. Yeah, guys, nothing more than just a rinse down. I mean, look at that shine. There's some watermarks on the car, but that's because our water around here is not the best. But all I got to do to get those off is put a coat of liquid detailer over it real quick. But I mean, other than that, man, I'm very happy with this product. Again, it's Color and Drive ceramic coating kit, and I've also used their touch-up kit before. When I first bought the car, I took a whole bunch of chips to the front bumper, and I patched it up that way. And right now I have a really crappy 3M clear bra on it that I did myself, which eventually I'll take off and redo. But other than that, the paint still up there is pretty good shape. So, but highly recommend Color and Drive. I believe it's a German company. They send a product via DHL, but I mean, look at it. The reflection speaks for itself there. Hey. Pretty good reflection there. The kit came in, so this is the ceramic coating kit from Color and Drive. I don't even know if they're around anymore, honestly. But you know, it's a multi-step process where basically you got to clean the car right. There's a prep, and then you add your your ceramic coating. And you want to do little squares at a time on your car, and then there'll be like a wet cloth where you're gonna like wipe it in, and then a buffing cloth after you let it sit for a little bit. If you're not a patient person, I do not recommend this for you. It is a very time-consuming ordeal, so you're going to want to take your time. The ceramic coating process, like I was talking about, is very tedious. You definitely have to be a patient person because it's going to take you a while. Oh, there's my kid again. So take your time if you're going to do it. It's definitely worth it. Mine's 3.5 years old. My car definitely needs paint correction in some spots because of just normal wear and tear. However, it's still plenty shiny and clean enough to win several car shows. So hope this is helpful to some people if you're ever thinking about doing it. And I mean, I'd pull the trigger if I were you, but it's I think it's a worthwhile investment. All right, guys, take care. I'll see you guys in the next one. Mark, get set, go.